Hello and welcome to Panda's Adventures for another vlog here in the kitchen. So today Alex is going to be making one of these, which is a Jane Asher lemon drizzle cake. Ooh, looks good. So, what we're doing today then?
Just that really, I've not really got anything else planned, just a quiet weekend really.
Yeah.
You're off from work, not working at home.
For today, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find things to do. So, looking at a few Disney bits and pieces, getting ready for next year, things we'd like to do, planning those in already. I know it's probably a bit early, but if we're going to go all out, we might as well add in quite a bit. We've had a new washing machine delivered today, that was exciting.
It was, which is just down here.
Yeah.
Installed that ourselves. We're such good home wives. But yeah, so today we're just going to do a little montage of Alex baking this lovely lemon drizzle cake. Well, I don't know if it's lovely yet, we'll find out at the end. But
it was just a pack, wasn't it? You've got different ones. You've got lemon drizzle, chocolate cake.
I'll pop a photo in now. Welcome back. So yeah, as you can see there, it's got all different baking packs and things in there.
Just give us something to do really, isn't it? And keep us occupied, and we both like cake, so.
Yes, I like cake a lot. Probably a bad thing. I still like it a lot. But anyway, follow us later on in the vlog to find out what the lemon drizzle cake turns out like, and we'll have a chat in our next vlog, I think tomorrow, about our favourite Disney rides.
Yes.
Ooh. See you later.
Cake's ready, let's take a look.
Looks good.
Ta-da! So just let it cool down a bit, and then it was time to decorate.
Yeah. And what flavour we got there?
So that's a lemon drizzle cake, what will be. So I'm going to add the icing, and instead of water, add a little bit of lemon juice, just because then it gives a little bit more flavour to the drizzle, so it adds a little lemony, because I like lemon. Right, okay, now it's time for the lemon drizzle part of the cake. So it's just the icing and the lemon juice. Gonna mix that together slowly. Now I might need to add a little bit more of the lemon juice just in case it's not runny enough, because if it's too thick then it doesn't look great. You only want to drizzle it over the cake partly. So it's a little bit too thick, so I'm just going to add a little bit more at a time. Don't add too much, because then it'll be too runny. Perfect. So you just want it to just gently run off the spoon. Let's bring the cake over. So all I'm going to do, just get a bit of icing on there. And run that just gently over. Doesn't matter if it's a bit thick in places, a bit thin in places. And then finally, I've got some lemon meringue pieces. I'm just going to add those on the top, just for a bit of a crunch.
Have a look at them. What are they?
Lemon meringue pieces. And there we are.
Pleased with that?
Yeah, very. Well, we'll know when we taste it, but it looks
yeah,
alright.
That's true. And there it is, our homemade lemon drizzle cake from the Jane Asher Cake Box Company. We'll see what it's like later, guys.
So thanks for joining us today with our baking session. Alex, what did you think of your little session of baking a lemon drizzle sponge cake?
I quite enjoyed it actually. It was easy to do, quite relaxing. Cakes making's quite relaxing.
Yeah, and I like eating cake as well, so that is always a good thing. So we're going to go have a cup of tea and a slice of cake.
Oh, yes.
Very, very British thing to do, and we don't all talk about it. Yeah, next time, hopefully we'll be making some different type of cake, which is a scone, or a scone, as some people may call it. But we won't get into that argument, will we now? So yeah, Alex will be making them again. I
think it's your turn.
Me?
Yeah, I think you need to do some.
Oh, these arms weren't made for mixing. Anyway, we'll see. I might do some baking, maybe. But join us next time for another What We're Doing in Lockdown vlog. And join us, Alex and me, Paul, later on. Like, comment and subscribe below. And we'll see you real soon.
Bye.
Bye.